Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to review tags people add to your posts on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings and Privacy. Step 4. In the Settings and Privacy menu, click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Now click on Profile and Tagging. Step 7. Scroll down until you find Review Tags. People add to your posts before the tags appear on Facebook. Step 8. Toggle on the switch next to it to enable this feature. Well done. You have successfully set up the option to review tags people add to your posts before they appear on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.